This particular bike trip, isn't that how I started my video last year? I'm sweating my butt off. Charlie, you should know this by now, working on set. We're losing the light. Each year, I just get sort of this natural feeling of, where do I want to go? I'll plant like 4 ideas in my head, I'll really get into them, and then something will just happen, and the decision will be made. This year, I'm like, I'm gonna go back up and finish into Canada because that's what I wanted to do last year. I'm gonna backpack Glacier, go ship my bike up to like Eureka, and then get on my bike and go up into Canada. I got the maps, I got really excited, I'm calling rangers, asking about permits. Then I'm like, I'm gonna go bicycle around Australia. So I went and I'm like downloading people that have done it and the route and which direction and airline tickets. Third idea, sort of checking out New Zealand, but not so much. Oregon coast, Baja. I started thinking about what kind of bike I would want. Well, I have a mountain bike. I've barely ridden it. Do I really want to like sell it and get another type of touring bike? Why don't you do something that's like a mountain bike packing trip? And so I started to think about southern Utah. I should practice first, see how I like it, since last year I kind of struggled on dirt and all the logging roads, if you remember the footage. Yes, this is my physical position. And then your bike slides and your feet slide. I wanted to give it another try with a bike with dual suspension and just a fatter tire. Maybe I would enjoy it more. I remember there being some kind of a race loop over here in these Boise Mountains. While I was looking for that, I ran across the Idaho Hot Springs mountain bike loop. 550 miles, because I wanted something that was a decent amount of time. If you included the single track, it brought it to 750 miles. Went to sleep. The next day, it just chose me. That was it. I'm gonna do the Idaho Hot Springs loop. It just resonated. It's so funny. I was so excited about the other ones, but something just happens. I can't explain it. That's why I use the term in a sense, it chose me, because I'm giving it all these ideas and just letting it simmer. Okay, well, I'm gonna listen to whatever the universe is telling me. It's telling me I should do the Idaho Hot Springs loop, so that's what I'll do. And so coming back to what I was just saying, if I really don't like it, because remember I was gonna test it, well, this is quite a test. That's how this trip came about. There's my really long answer, but you knew it would be a long answer because I'm a terrible summarizer.